I have a question for you today. Do you know what programs are on your computer? And I know there's probably dozens and dozens of programs on your computer, but what I'm specifically asking about is, do you know what antivirus you use? Do you know what backup you use, if any? And these are really important because let's say that something happens to your computer and you actually need to recover from your backup. Well, it's really helpful if you know what that backup is, if it's an online backup, if it's to an external hard drive, and what program you're using to do this backup. And as far as with antivirus, there have been, in the last month, I've probably gotten 20, closer to 25 emails. I get them almost on a daily basis that says my McAfee antivirus has expired. Now, of course, I know what antivirus I have on my computer, and I do not have McAfee, and I know that it's just a phishing scam to try and get me to click on the links so they can get me to pay for a subscription that I don't have and will never use. It's just a way to steal money. And I get emails from people all the time that say, hey, I got this email, is this what I have? And no, you most likely don't have McAfee, because if I put it on there, you definitely don't have it, and if I'm aware that you have antivirus, I'm going to tell you not to use that one because truthfully that's the virus of the antivirus world. So if you're not sure what antivirus you have on your computer or what backup program, if any, you have on your computer, it's a good idea to find out. If you need help with that, give me a call. I'd love to help you out with that.